Trial practice to me has always been a critical part of what I believe to be the curriculum for someone who intended to go into litigation or actually any sort of oral advocacy, which is what lawyers do, whether they're in the courtroom or not. It's not a theoretical course, it's a very practical course. And students who take my course are actually on their feet every week in the classroom performing parts of a trial, be it an opening statement or doing a direct examination of witness or cross-examination. So that's what the course entails. But why it's important is this. I believe that if students take my class, they are able, upon graduation from law school and obviously passing the bar, to have every right to be in a courtroom and represent a client. And I've been right for a number of years.
Trial practice is the most practically useful class I've ever taken in law school. You are learning every day and being forced to practice the skills that you are going to need as an attorney. I'm working for the Attorney General's office of Massachusetts next year. If I don't know the basics of how trial court works, I'm not going to be successful. So I think it's the real world component of what we're learning in here and what we're practicing in here that makes trial practice imperative.
Judge McEvoy ran the class like a real courtroom. It was a great learning experience to sort of like how a judge can react in a courtroom. Judge McEvoy can be intimidating at times, but that's, I think, how a lot of judges are when they're up there. They have to sort of control the courtroom. So it was a great learning environment where you could really get down and practice over and over again the skills that you need in an actual courtroom.
The other amazing thing, because of my experience on the bench, I've seen my students come in. Maybe there's still second seats to a senior DA trying a homicide, or now they're trying cases themselves. And it's amazing. And it's incredibly rewarding, and I'm incredibly proud of them. And it's just fabulous. It's the real deal.